Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting opportunity for aspiring professionals looking to build their careers in a vibrant and welcoming community. We're talking about the international recruitment events happening in Prince Edward Island, Canada. These recruitment events are designed to connect talented individuals from around the world with employers in key industries across the island. Whether you're in healthcare, information technology, agriculture, or another vital sector, this could be your chance to secure a rewarding job offer and start a new chapter in your career. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know about these events. If you are seeking permanent residency in Prince Edward Island, one pathway is to be nominated to the federal government through the PEI Provincial Nominee Program, PNP. Individuals are selected for nomination based on their intention to live and work in PEI and their economic ability to establish here. At this time, priority will be given to individuals qualified to work in areas with identified skill shortages in the PEI labor market. For skilled workers outside Canada, PEI, provincial immigration pathways, are dependent upon federal immigration allocations, application volumes, and provincial labor market needs. The PEI Office of Immigration is currently selecting and prioritizing skilled workers in higher demand sectors such as healthcare, trades, childcare, and other key industries facing labor shortages. Individuals working in the sales and service sector may not receive an invitation to apply at this time. To be eligible to apply for the PEI skilled worker stream, you must have a full-time, non-seasonal, permanent, or minimum of 2 years job offer from a PEI employer in a high-skilled occupation defined by the Training, Education, Experience, and Responsibility classification system. Have at least 2 years of full-time work experience in the past 5 years. Have legal status in country of residence. Have successfully completed a post-secondary degree or diploma, minimum 2-year program. Make sure you have education credential assessment. Be between the ages of 18 and 59. Have sufficient English and/or French language ability to perform the job offered. Language ability can be verified by one of the following. Have sufficient financial resources for the applicant and family to pay all immigration costs, including travel expenses, to be able to establish in PEI, and demonstrate a genuine intention to settle in PEI. Except for the first requirement, where a job offer is required, meeting the rest of the requirements are pretty easy. I am going to explain an opportunity that Prince Edward Island has offered to aspiring applicants to meet the job offer criteria, which is the international recruitment events. Here you can see all the recruitment events that happened in 2023, and there are 2 more events yet to be completed before 2024 December. First is the International Recruitment Talent Pool, and the second event is the International Recruitment Construction Talent Pool, where the location of event is yet to be delivered. If you go to the sign-up option, you can see below occupations being covered for this event. 1. Healthcare sector. 2. Education sector. 3. IT sector. 4. Hospitality. 5. Trucking industry. 6. Manufacturing. 7. Bioscience. The second recruitment event only covers the trades and construction workers, including electricians, mechanics, carpenter, drywall, plumber, pipe fitter and steam fitter, pinter, heating and cooling technicians, construction helper, roofer, mechanic engineer, and other trade and construction work. After selecting the occupation that is applicable, you will have to enter the number of experiences you have and your personal details, which is pretty simple, and you need to upload your resume in Canadian CV format. Finally, create an expression of interest on PEI website and make sure you have a valid federal expression of interest profile as well, once you have secured the job offer. Thank you for joining us as we explored the international recruitment events in Prince Edward Island. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into how you can secure a job offer and start your new career in this wonderful province. Remember, preparation is key. Make sure to research the companies you'll be meeting, polish your resume, and practice your interview skills. These events are a unique opportunity to make connections and showcase your talents to potential employers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future content. And if you have any questions or need further information, feel free to leave a comment below.